Have you ever wondered what happens to your money when a fintech company goes bust? It's a question that probably keeps a lot of us up at night, especially with so many digital banks and crypto platforms popping up. We trust them with our hard-earned cash, but what's the safety net if things go wrong? This is exactly what happened with Bitwala, a German crypto banking platform. In its heyday, Bitwala was a pioneer, blending traditional banking with the world of crypto. It offered a full German IBAN, a debit card, and the ability to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin and Ethereum all in one app. For many, it was the perfect bridge between the old and new financial worlds. The company had a strong vision and a seemingly solid foundation. It was backed by reputable investors and had a growing user base. Things seemed to be going well. Then, the crypto winter hit in 2022. The market crashed, and many companies, including Bitwala, began to feel the heat. Bitwala, which had rebranded as Nuggs, found itself in a precarious position. The company was heavily exposed to the crypto market, and the downturn put immense pressure on its business model. Despite its efforts to adapt, Nuggs was forced to file for insolvency in August 2022. So, what happened to the users' funds? This is the crucial part. Nuggs wasn't a bank in the traditional sense. It was a crypto platform that partnered with a licensed bank, a German company called Solaris Bank. This partnership was the key to its unique business model. Under this arrangement, all the fiat currency, the euros, that users held on the Nuggs platform was legally held in a segregated account at Solaris Bank. This separation was a massive protective layer. When Nuggs went insolvent, the users' fiat deposits were safe. They were not part of Nuggs' assets and could not be used to pay off the company's creditors. This is a critical distinction that many people don't understand. The money was protected by Germany's statutory deposit guarantee scheme, which ensures up to 100,000 euros per customer. Users were able to withdraw their euro balances from their accounts. Now, what about the crypto? This is where it gets a little more complicated. Nuggs didn't hold the crypto for its users. Instead, it used a custodial wallet solution provided by a partner. This meant that the user's crypto assets were also segregated from Nuggs' balance sheet. When the insolvency process began, Nuggs' insolvency administrator worked with the partner to ensure users could access their crypto and transfer it out of their Nuggs accounts. The insolvency process was an incredible test of the company's structure. The separation of funds, both fiat and crypto, proved to be the saving grace for its users. It highlighted the importance of a clear and robust legal framework, especially in the fast-paced world of fintech and crypto. The Bitwala/Nuggs story is a powerful example of how a well-structured business can protect its customers, even in the worst-case scenario. It underscores the importance of looking for platforms that operate with strong regulatory partners and a transparent system for handling your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.